Hi, my name is Ellen, and this is my Individual Differences in the Workplace presentation. Awesome. So for the challenge, I chose being a woman in the workforce. In particular, the challenge I wanted to focus on was equal pay. I found through my research that women on average still make less than men in the workplace, and on average will need to work 70 additional days each year just to catch up to the earnings of men. I also found through other research that male employees tend to receive higher performance evaluations when they offer ideas that generate new revenue, but female employees don't get the same benefit, often don't see any raise, or really insights. They're often dismissed. So my strategy to combat equal pay for myself is I think I will request jobs to complete wage audits to ensure equal fair pay. I also want to show my support for pay transparency and implement a non-negotiations mentality when discussing pay. I found through a journal that education is considered the principal fast track to a higher salary. And in terms of gender differences in educational achievement, those are fairly small. So I can educate myself and be aware of this issue and just be better prepared when going into a job to look out for that kind of stuff. So that's what I will do. Awesome. Thank you so much.